Hello everyone, so if you want to improve photo quality on your Redmi Note 13, first of all open up your camera. Now open up this menu, so find this arrow icon at the top of your screen, open up the menu, open up settings by tapping on this gear icon at the top right corner of this pop-top menu. Now choose your picture quality, so I recommend setting it on high. Choose the mirror front camera. Also, I recommend you turning on your image stabilization, which works great. Choose your video encoder, so I recommend using H265 video encoder. Also, you can choose to shoot with screen off, depending anti-banding, shutter sound, and so on and so on. However, if you are not satisfied with your settings and something gone wrong, you can always find restore default settings, tap on it and to restore your default settings. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.